you said?
Yeah.
Is that what that thing is?
No.
Or does that mean it's
That just came up last time.
Serious. Those ladies on the far court brought like 100 tennis balls and hit like 4 of them and then left.
I know. That would be Kelbo.
Was it?
But I wasn't sure but then I heard her talking and I was like, oh yeah, that's what they were. Jeff, it's like swelling.
Oh no! You're so dirty. Get the ball.
Play tennis the same way you play ping pong. That's definitely the easiest way there.
That's the only way he's good.
There you go.
Man.
Oh, bud. Oh, Molly's on me. Oh, that was disgusting. That was the most disgusting thing ever.
Sean, you have to move a little farther away. Those guys didn't paint the whole court. They just painted grass. I haven't played them. 2-1,
Is that what they were doing when the Nets were up? Ooh, firecrackers.
Holy crap, I haven't been over here in a while. Holy crap. Holy cow. New views. Oh, why? Oh. Yeah, I was right. Why? Alright. I don't know the story. Well, love. I know that. Stay on your side. I'm coaching. Oh, I can't get that one. Oh, jeez. Nice.
Oh, that's some good tennis, guys.
This is good tennis. Kill it! I'm keeping it. Nope. This is the best tennis so far. Yeah, Nick! That was the best ever we've ever had. What did you do? I was just That was good. I ducked. Everyone got it on that one. That's how over the jumper. Yeah. Jerk! Nick, every time you return my serve, I stop. Therefore,
Pretty good. What about you? How'd the rest of the open house go?
Good.
Oh,
My legs are tired, but
Mine were too.
that didn't really make sense at all. You can use me as a scapegoat, that's fine. 30, 40. I got it. Oh no! Deep. Okay, I really lost her. You're good. Right side. Poaching, some poaching. Oh. I got the easy ace.
Go!
who won that today?
Donovan?
Down one? Yeah, of course that.
Now that was awesome.
Oh, you did that over there.
I was setting you up. This is not volleyball. Alright, I'm charging this bitch.
Yes. How did you hit that?
I can't get that.
Oh.
What were the chances of that? I don't between both of them. Chances.
You're such a poacher.
Thank you.
You want to win? Yeah.
Hello. Hi. Woo. Yeah.
15. Or wait, is it love 30? We have 30.
We have 30.
Oh my
That's
God.
zero.
What?
That's love. We got a big goose egg.
Dude, that was sweet.
That was good, Sean. That was good.
He is playing barefoot. I don't think I do it.
He's pretty good. I'll answer for him. What?
Who's
Oh,
this?
Handon? hit it.
Is this yours?
Behind it. Sorry, I
Oh,
got
no.
Jeff, you weren't answering.
I thought he was talking to the other dude.
He said Jeffrey Bixby.
Out, right?
Yeah.
Line judge, help.
That was great.
Thanks, Lynn.
No problem.
Got it. I didn't think that could have been made any
Don't try
harder.
too hard.
Sorry.
Sean, you cannot afford to
Shut
mess
up.
up on this one.
Don't screw it up.
Sean, there's no way you can miss this.
Get off my swing.
Oh, man.
That was out, but it was real close.
I think it was in.
Well, you do have a better view than I do.
I know, that's what I'm saying. I'm sorry. I screwed up again.
Sorry.